Today, we are diving into a topic that has captured hearts and minds across the globe: manifestation. If you have ever wondered what it is, how it works, and how you can actually turn your dreams into reality, this video is for you. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is manifestation? Let's put this across in very simple terms. So, if you have a certain goal for yourself, or you have some vision, or if you have some dreams for yourself, and you want to get this into reality, you actually start manifesting it, right? So, with the power of feeling, thoughts, actions, and belief, you can actually get your dream or your vision into reality. Trust me, it has happened. A lot of people have manifested it, and all their dreams have come true. So, I'm here to give you a brief about what exactly is and what are its rules. It is extremely important to align your energies to your dreams or visions or goals, and make sure that you take actions to actually reach those vision and dreams. You cannot be just sitting and manifesting it and not doing anything. You have to align your energy with the goals and visions that you set for yourself. Manifestation actually seems a little crazy, and it's very hard to believe that, it would really happen. But that's the catch, that you don't have to think so much about it. All you have to do is manifest, and that's about it. The universe is going to do the rest. So, to break it down, I have these 5 rules that you should use if you're trying to implement manifestation in your life. So let's get started with those 5 rules. Number 1 rule is be clear about what you want. So, our universe loves clarity. Take time to write down your goals. Be specific. Don't just say, I want to be successful. Define what success means to me. Is it financial freedom, inner peace, or a dream job? If your vision is super clear, the energy around you would be actually very stronger. Rule number 2 is to believe that it is actually yours. Now, faith comes into picture. You must believe deep in your heart that what you desire is already on its way to you. Shift your mindset. I want this to I have this. Affirmations can help. Say, I am worthy of abundance, or I attract love effortlessly. Let me give you a quick example. All you have to do is sit down in a place and just close your eyes and visualize about your dream job. Let's take an example here. Maybe you are wanting to become a doctor, or you want to be like a very much famous YouTuber. Okay, so what you can do is just sit down in a place, close your eyes, and then just imagine that you have your own clinic. There are patients sitting out. You're talking to the patient, and you're very happy that there are so many patients outside. Just feel that emotion that you're very happy. And then there is this patient who comes in and tells you that, that the son or the wife or the husband actually recovered because of the medication you had given. So, these little things which are going to happen in the future, just visualize that you're actually living it, and just experience the joy of, as simple as you're opening the door of your, clinic, or you're just entering a big and huge hospital that you have ever dreamt of. So, these things would actually help you fuel your energy, and trust me, it is going to be magical. Rule number 4 is take inspired actions. Now, like I said, you cannot just set your goal and be like, the universe is going to take care of it. It is not going to happen. We also have to tell universe that we are taking steps to reach there. Supposing you have a goal of a dream house, you have to start saving up. You have to, go to places and search for those houses, your dream house. You have to, work more harder to, get to that position. If you're not going to do that, that is not going to happen. All I'm trying to tell you all is that the universe is able to catch your frequencies. If you have like written that I want a dream house in this lifetime, and you're just lazing around on the bed and just walking around, the universe doesn't understand any language. All it understands is energies and frequencies. So you have to make sure that you align with the universe energies, with the frequency, or else it is not going to happen, how much ever hard you try. Rule number 5, let go and trust the process. Never question the universe why or how would it happen, because it is not going to help. At the end of the day, it is all about faith and belief. Just trust the process. You have set your goal, you've been working towards your goal, and the universe is going to do all the things so that you get what you actually manifested. It has happened, it will definitely happen. All I want you to do is just keep the trust and do not question the universe. There are few common mistakes that a person does when they are manifesting. So I quickly want to tell you, stop having negative self talk with yourself, because it is going to impact the whole process of manifestation. And be patient, do not be impatient, because if you feel like today you have manifested that you're going to have a dream house or a dream wife or a dream husband or a dream job, and tomorrow it is going to happen, it is not going to happen. You have to keep patient. And when you actually manifest something, do not question it, because when you question it, you doubt about it, and then there is this negative self talk that happens. Even if there are hurdles in between, you just have to trust the process and just move on. That's about it. Please do not do that. All I would want you all to do is stay positive, be grateful, and just be consistent. These three things will just change the entire game of manifestation. So that's about it. Manifestation is a powerful tool if practiced with a lot of faith, clarity, and actions. Start small, do your bits, and everything is going to be beautiful. Trust me. And I hope this video was inspiring and you took something out of it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.